What's going on, guys? Before we start today's video, I want to let you guys know that I did just drop a brand new design on dippindiesel.com. A lot of you guys have been asking for Dippin Diesel merch, not necessarily the Soot Empire, but actual Dippin Diesel merch. And I did just drop this brand new design. You got the Dippin on the front, you got the Dippin Diesel on the left hand sleeve, and on the right hand sleeve you could pick between a 12 valve, a 24 valve, a Dirty Max, and a Power Stroke P that you can get put on the side. I just put a Cummins on here. For mine at least. But this shirt is on the website now. It's only going to be on the website for a couple weeks, so get it while you can. Like I said before, all these designs are limited edition. They're not going to be around forever, so if you guys like a design and you guys want one, pick it up now before they're all gone and they're gone for good. But go check out dippindiesel.com, help support the channel, help support the build, and let's get right back into the video. All right, we just got done doing a little maintenance on the old Yanmar. We got the headlights working because we changed out the fuse panel. So we got a whole new fuse panel in there with some glass fuses. We did the oil change, got the new filter in there, got some new coolant in there, got the new battery cable in there to the starter. And this thing's a runner, man. I'm surprised how fuel efficient this thing is because I have not bought fuel for this thing. That's pretty much at where it was when we got the tractor. And I cut my grass twice with this thing, running this thing pretty much at full throttle with the PTO going. And it hasn't really even gone down any in fuel. So I like this tractor, really good fuel efficiency. It's a good little farm, or not farm tractor, I would say a little garden tractor. But this thing's a runner. But let's go ahead, get to working on the flatbed conversion. I know you guys are waiting for this video. But yeah, what do you think, Mike?
It'll look good when we get done with her.
Yeah? All right, let's do it. All right, let's see what she's looking like without the back of the bed on there. And that looks a lot better. I think that looks way better than before. Mike's over there riveting in that fender because it was loose, but just got done cutting this baby off. And we got some trimming to do on the sides. This side, not so much. That side's got to be cut down a little bit. And then obviously make that flush. But for the most part, it looks a lot better. What? You scared?
A little bit.
Why?
I'm scared, but
go ahead, cut that thing. Cut that thing.
Finish your video.
Cut that thing. Don't worry, it's his first time with angle grinder.
Well, I know my way around the angle grinder a little bit. She walks a little bit. These are probably Harbor Fraud blades, that's why.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, go figure.
10 cut off discs for like $6.
I mean, that's a bargain, dude. That's why the Harbor Freight stays in business. Well, that's good, because I know that's how much that would be anything or not.
Come on. So this is what I'm thinking about for the gas tank. Went ahead and cut it out of the original side. Still have to trim it up a little bit. I was hoping it was gonna fit right here so I can, you know, have a round corner without having to grind that down. be able to rivet it to the back side of that, but it's not gonna happen. Gonna have to cut it down because, I mean, or I can just cut off some right here, but this part's gonna get covered anyway, gonna get welded right there anyway. But we are gonna stop right there for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Go subscribe to Mike. Big shout out to him for giving me a hand with the tractor and with a lot of the stuff yesterday on the bed. We're making a ton of progress. Hopefully in the next video or two we'll be able to get this thing all done. I'm probably not going to show it, but I will probably come out here and cut the rest of the metal for the arches, that side over there, that arch, or the wheel well, and then cut this piece for here. You know, I'm not a professional welder. You know, I'm just a backyard welder with a freaking Harbor Freight welder. So I'm definitely gonna have to use some flap discs for this thing. Hopefully it'll turn out good. I mean, like I said before, I say it every single video, this truck is not meant to be nice. So if it looks bad, I don't really care. This truck is supposed to look bad on the outside, which I like the way this truck looks. It's just gonna complete it when it's all, you know, flush, metal's welded in, and stuff like that. So I'm super happy how this truck is turning out so far. I went to the twins' place yesterday. They're finishing up the powder coating, so we'll be able to throw the 275 horsepower injectors in this truck, and we'll be able to throw the powder coating on, which I'm super excited about. If you guys haven't already, check out dippindiesel.com for the new designs. All the designs that I put out on the website are only available for a limited time, only a couple weeks. So if you guys like a design that's on the website, I just dropped the Dippin merch, so that's only gonna be on the website for, you know, maybe another week. But yeah, if you see a design, pick it up at dippindiesel.com. They're not gonna be around forever. The Soot Empire, there is only one black decal left of this Soot Empire, I believe. We're gonna come out with a new Soot Empire design here probably next week. When the Dippin designs go away, we'll come out with another Soot Empire design. And then we got the Dippin American flag. I think there's only 2 decals left on the website now. That's old inventory. So there's only 2 American flag Dippin Diesel decals left, and then there's 1 5-inch Soot Empire decal left. I think it's black. If you guys wanted one and you didn't get a chance to pick one up, hey, gotta be quicker next time. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. We're gonna get this truck looking good. I think what's wrong with the transmission is a torque converter. I think that's why it was leaking, and I think that's why the transmission's acting weird. It's not, the torque converter's not locking up into gear. So I think that's the issue with this transmission. I'm not 100% sure. I'm probably about 35% sure that's the issue, because I don't know transmissions. But yeah, that's gonna do it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Dippin Diesel out. Check out dippindiesel.com for your merch. See ya.